Today, we will demonstrate 𝐕𝐤5D key adding function. This operation requires 𝐕𝐤5D dedicated adapter and key tool plus. Reading original vehicle key, take out original car key used for demonstration, and read the original key information. Enter the IMO programming menu. Select 𝐸QB495D key dismantling and reading. Tap Start Programming, and choose Disassemble and Read Key Data. Disassemble original car key and remove the PCB. Note, the white area shows the shape of the original key. Place the key in this position, then install it on the adapter. Mount the original key PCB onto the adapter. Connect the adapter to Key Tool Plus. Tap Read. After original key information is read successfully, click OK to start verifying the original key code. Remove the original key from the adapter, then place it into the device coil. Tap OK. Crypto key verify success. You can now proceed to generate dealer key. 2. Generating a dealer key. Method 1. Generate using original fakery key. Click OK. Load the previously read key file. Mount the original key onto the adapter. After confirming that the adapter and chip are securely connected, tap Continue to start the operation. Write successful. Method 2. Generate using the 𝐕𝐤 dedicated key. Tap the 𝐕𝐤 key option. Click OK. Start loading the previously read key file. Locate the corresponding key file and open it. Place 𝐕𝐤 key into the device coil. Click OK. The key is generated successfully. 3. Matching and testing. Place the original vehicle key into the vehicle sensing coil. Tap Learn key, then click OK to load the read key file. Input learning key number. Click OK. After learning is successful, place the generated original key or 𝐕𝐤 dedicated key into the sensing coil. Note, the original key or 𝐕𝐤 key placed into the sensing coil must have a battery installed. Click OK, and wait for the matching process to complete. After matching is completed, the device can be removed from the vehicle, and the key functions can be tested. After matching is complete, remove the device from the vehicle and test the key functions. Push button start works normally. Key remote functions work normally. 𝐕𝐤 key follows the same matching process as the original key, so it will not be demonstrated here. All key functions have been tested and are working properly.